Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how to navigate between the various browser windows, right? So while we are writing our automation script, then we need to be aware about how to navigate between the different browser windows. So for example, I want to show you here, right? So this is our main window. If I'm clicking here on login button, we are moving to the another window, like next window, right? So you can see here. So we are moved to the next window. So if I want to go back, what I'll do, I'll click on this back button, correct? I came on the main window. Now if I want to go back on the secondary window, then I'll click to the forward button, right? So we came on this page. Again we are coming on the home page, and then if I want to refresh this, I'll press this, or I'll press F5 button, F5 key on the keyboard. So for these operations, in our automation script, we can use inbuilt navigation functions, right? So in this tutorial, I'll let you know how to write use those navigation command, I must say. So we can start our tutorial or automation script here. Let's create a project, new project, Java navigation commands. Okay, so select Java SE 1.8 and click finish, right? So here we can go click on this shows folder, and we can create a new Java class inside this folder. So Java class, so let's give a name to the package, and I'm giving this browser navigation. Okay, and we can create a main function in this class and finish. Click on finish. So before writing the automation script, let's do one thing. We'll import the Selenium jar files. That we can do right by right clicking on source folder, select build path and move to configure build path. In this dialog, click on libraries, add external jars, and give the path wherever you store the Selenium jar files on your system. Control E, select all jar files and open. Okay, so once you click OK button, what it will do, it will create another folder under this JRE system libraries named as referenced libraries. That means all your jar files are imported in this current project, correct? So then you can start writing. Okay, I'm clicking on OK, and you'll see here the new folder is there. So all your jar files are included here, correct? So now we can start writing our automation script. So the first step is launch the browser. So this is our first step in our script. So for this we'll create an instance of web Firefox browser. Okay, so why it is showing the red lines below this? Because for this so far this Eclipse don't know from where these classes are coming. So for that we need to import some packages. If you move your focus here, then it will show the import WebDriver. We need to import this package work.openqa.selenium, where this class is mentioned. Then we can move focus here, and we can import this package as well. Now our second step, pass the URL. Okay, so we'll pass the URL. Like in previous tutorials, we were using get method. So here we'll use the URL. So first let me store the URL in a string variable. Okay, now this URL we can use in our script. Okay, we can navigate to this URL, or we can open this URL in our like launched browser, Firefox browser. So I'm using this command driver.navigate.to. so this command, in this to method, we need to pass this like parameter. So here we can pass this URL. So what it will do, it will open this current URL in this Firefox version or Firefox instance. So after opening this URL, we need to maximize the window. Right, so for that, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So what it will do, it will maximize the front browser window size. Okay, so till here what it will do, it will launch a Firefox browser, then it will pass this URL and it will maximize the window size, correct? So run this and we'll see the output. Okay, launch the browser window, then it will pass the URL online SBI and it will maximize the window size. Done. So it means our script is working fine. Now let's move to the next step. So I told you, right, if I'm clicking on this button, then I'm going ahead, right? So let's click on this button, inspect element, and click on this button, login button. So I'll copy the XPath, and in this automation script we can use driver dot find element by dot XPath, right? And in this XPath we can pass that XPath here. Okay, and then we need to click on this button, right? So we can use this browser function. We can click on that button. So once it will click on this button, what it will do, it like will move to the next browser window, right? So here, correct, we are now here. Okay, so after moving to this window, we'll wait for some time. Sorry guys, we'll use this sleep statement, sleep command. So let's wait for 4 seconds, then we can use this actually this thread statement will throw that exception, so we can use this interrupted exceptions, right? So once after waiting for 4 seconds, what I'll do, I'll move back, right? So this is our main command. So move back to the main window. Okay, so driver dot navigate dot back, right? This back will not, we don't need to pass any parameter in this, correct? So now we came to the main window, right? If we want to move back to the like the front next window, so what are the forward window again? So I'll wait here again for 4 seconds, right? And this time we don't need to click on this button, we can use browser forward button, right? The forward functionality. So same thing, driver dot or move back to the previous window. Okay, so driver dot navigate dot forward, right? This will also, we don't need to any we don't need to pass any parameter. So we'll wait again here 4 seconds. So why I'm using this wait statement every time, just to let you know the difference, because it will not wait for these 4 seconds. It will do the quick actions and we would not be able to see or identify. We can skip some steps, right? So then after waiting for 4 seconds, suppose I want to refresh that window. Let's give some silence, please. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay, so it will refresh the window after waiting 4 seconds here, and then after refresh I will wait again for 4 seconds, and what we'll do, we'll close the browser, right? Driver dot close, so we can close the browser window. Okay, so this script will show us all the navigation functions. So I'm going to run this. Let's see if it's working fine or not. So first it will launch the browser, then it will pass the URL, and then it will click on the login button to move to the next page. Then we'll wait there for 4 seconds. We'll come back, we'll move forward, and then it will refresh that page, correct, and then it will close the browser. So see here, maximize. After waiting 4 seconds, click on login. See, it's now login.html page. Now after waiting 4 seconds, come back to the home page, right, again login page. Okay, and then it will click the refresh button. See, it's refreshed and it will close now after 4 seconds, correct. So it's working fine. So this was the automation script, how to navigate between the browser windows. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, please like it and subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks.